Hi, here's some computer help for you. I'm going to show you how to change your video's aspect ratio in Adobe Premiere Pro. Here you see that my video is in a thin vertical format. I want to change it to a widescreen horizontal format. Here's how to make that change. I click on the video file in the timeline, making it an active selection. I then go to the top left menu, and under Sequence, I go down to Auto Reframe Sequence. Selecting that option brings up a new menu box. I can see that in the Target Aspect Ratio option, horizontal 16:9 will be the chosen option, and that's the one I want. You can click on the arrow to see the other options. I'll want to click on Create, so watch my video clip that's behind the menu box. It'll change to my desired aspect ratio. I now check Create, and there it goes. The change is made. If this has been helpful, please click the like button for this video, and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.